Hey friends, if you wish to download and install Visual C++ Redistributable on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for this in the Windows search bar and hit enter. Now go to the latest supported Visual C++ Redistributable page. Scroll down and select the x64 version for 64-bit computer, and for 32-bit computer select the x86 version. Simply click on open. Wait a few seconds, it will open the installer. Okay, click on I agree and install. Now in case it is already installed, you can click on repair. It will reinstall the DLL files. That is the main purpose of installing Visual C++ C distributable. Otherwise you can install it, and that's all you need to do. The rest will be done by the installer itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.